Long-term success needs patience and proper behavior. Okay, proper behavior. So if you are saving, if you want to save, or if you are going to invest, I'm going to invest this money for the next 30 years, for the next 40 years, for the next 50 years. I require to feel, not just temporary. Array, yesterday I invested, but today the gold rate down, getting shivering like anything. Or in the last 6 months, the gold rate is down only. In the last 1 year, share market is down only. Don't feel like that. Don't see 1 year, 1 month, or 1 week. You have to see 10 years span. You require to see 20 years span, 30 years span. Then bigger changes by default will be there, dosto. Always think about long term. Always think about long term game. If you continue any activity for long term, at last one person is there to give the big reward for you. Who is that person? Yes, friends, who is that person? Compounding. Remember that. Compounding rewards only if you continue the game for long term. If you continue, if you are just doing for 1 year or 2 years or just 1 month or 1 week, sorry, you won't. Long term is the most important. You require to play the game long term and a proper behavior with the money. If you want financial success like that. So, what is the procrastination solution from this book is delay short-term comfort, delay short-term comfort, not long-term success. Remember this one. Just a short term, you are feeling more comfort because you are not required to do this activity today. Tomorrow onwards I will save. Next month onwards I will start saving. Because this month I have family function is there, my kid birthday is there. Okay, I require to buy festival is there, I require to buy new clothes. That's why saving this month is not possible. Next month onwards I will. Delay is always going to provide short-term comfort, more comfortable. But long-term, there's a bigger problem by default will be there. Long-term, your success is not going to be happen in the long term. So that's why delay, procrastination, all these things, short-term happy, but long-term bigger, bitter experiences you are going to face, you are going to experience it. Okay.